Today I will be walking through the Domino DF500R set. This is a corded domino machine that allows you to make mortises for tenons ranging from 4mm to 10mm. Here we have the off and on switch, the extractor connector, and over here on the right column we have a height scale. If we look at the other side, we have a gauge block, and this allows you to set the fence to the thickness of the stock that you're working with. Behind that we have the router depth locking lever, and this allows you to set the depth of the mortise based on the tenon and the bit you are using. Over here we have the rotary switch that allows you to set the width of the mortise for a tight or a looser fit. Over here we have the guide frame unlock, and this allows you to remove the motor from the fence. On this side we have the spindle lock, and this allows you to be able to change out the bit. If we look at the side of the fence, we have two levers, and this allows you to set the fence to the desired angle and width. Here we have the height lever, and over here we have the angle stop lever. If we take a look at the bottom of the fence, we have 4 pins here spaced out between 22 and 37mm from the center of the machine. If we take a look at the back side, we have 4 engraved lines for reference. Now let's talk about some of the accessories that come with the set. First, we have the support bracket, which provides additional support when plunging vertically or when plunging near the edge of a workpiece. Next up, we have cross stops, and these allow you to accurately make repeatable mortises across larger pieces. You can adjust these pins precisely from 100mm to 205mm, giving you the ability to set the exact spacing of mortises of your choosing. Next up, we have the trim stop, and this allows you to accurately and repeatedly make mortises at the edge of narrow pieces or round pieces such as rail or spindles. And finally, we have an Imperial Scale for the right column and the gauge block. To learn more, click on the links below in the description.